Is your Fire Stick feeling sluggish, apps taking forever to load, constant buffering, slow menus, or even crashing? What if I told you in just a few minutes I can make your Fire Stick feel like brand new again?
Hey everybody, Chris Bassett here, and I'm giving you my ultimate Firestick maintenance checklist. Let's get into it.
Fire Sticks are awesome for streaming, but over time they get bogged down with junk files, too many apps, running, weak Wi-Fi, and even overheating. Instead of waiting until it breaks and searching for quick fixes, do this simple maintenance checklist once a month and keep things running fast and smooth. I've broken it down into 4 easy pillars, so grab your remote, we're starting now. Pillar number 1, storage management. We gotta clear the junk. So over time, your favorite streaming apps build up massive cache files. That eats up space and slows everything down. From the home screen, go to Settings, which is a gear icon, Applications, and then Manage Installed Applications. You'll see a list of your favorite apps. Start with the heavy hitters like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Kodi, or whatever you use most. Highlight an app and press the center button, scroll down and select Clear Cache. This keeps your logins and settings intact. Easy, a smoother running app. If you want to do it even faster, look for the Clear All Application Cache if your model has it. One click clears everything. I'd also recommend uninstalling any apps you don't use. So from the same menu, select the app and then choose Uninstall. This will keep at least 2 to 3 gigabytes free. You can check your storage in My Fire TV. Pillar number 2, connection stability. Even a fast internet plan can feel slow on a Fire Stick if the signal is weak. A couple quick checks. Go to Settings, then Network. Highlight your Wi-Fi and press the play or pause button on your remote to see signal strength and speed. Run the speed test. You also want to use the included HDMI extender. Plug it in so the Fire Stick sticks out away from the back of your TV. This alone can boost the Wi-Fi signal because a lot of TVs block the signal. A couple other pro tips. Move your router closer to reduce interference. Microwaves, cordless phones, or thick walls can really affect the Fire Stick. Try switching between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands if your router supports both. I noticed for me, my 2.4 GHz actually worked better. Restart your router and Fire Stick weekly. Hold the select and play pause button for at least 5 seconds to restart the stick. Pillar number 3, system optimization. Let's optimize the system itself. You want to check for updates. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, and then About. Check for updates. Install anything available. New versions often fix performance issues. You'll also want to manage background processes. Too many apps running in the background can kill speed. Go back to your Manage Installed Applications, select the apps you aren't using right now, and choose Force Stop. For even easier management, let's search the App Store for Background Apps and Processes list. I just went inside my app library, and then the search function, and then hold down the microphone on the remote to access Alexa. You can then verbally say Background Apps and Process List, and this app will pop up. It's a handy shortcut app that shows you everything running and lets you stop them quickly. And number 4, don't forget about physical care. Fire Sticks can overheat, which cause throttling and slowdowns. Give it room to breathe. Don't bury it behind a TV or in a tight cabinet. Use that HDMI extender to pull it out into open air. Keep the area around your TV cool and well ventilated. If it gets hot to the touch, power it off for a bit to improve airflow. Remember, a cool Fire Stick is a fast Fire Stick.
Check out the other videos over here. I've got some Amazon links to save on electronics. Check those links out if you want to help support. Any other questions or comments, put those below. Thanks.